Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you a very interesting mechanical watch. This is a Seagull Red Star. If you want to check out this watch, I also left a link in the description below. Alright, let's open it. Here is the box. The packaging is pretty simple. Let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, inside we got, what is this? Yeah, a warranty card. And looks like I got a brown strap as a gift. Nice. So I can change the straps. I ordered the version with the NATO strap though. And this must be a manual on how the watch works. Okay, yes. And now let's see the watch itself. Okay, it says Red Star. First impression. It looks very vintage, very clean. Let's take these stickers off. Look at this dial. You can see the small red star at the top. Under it, you can see the text 21 Zuan. Zuan means joules, so this movement has 21 joules inside, which help reduce friction in the movement. The dial design is very classic and easy to read. It really has that vintage pilot watch looks. Here's a fun fact about this watch. This design is inspired by famous Chinese pilot watch from 1960s. Back then, watches like this were made for Chinese Air Force. That original military watch later became very popular with watch collectors. That is why many more modern versions, like this Red Star, follow the same classic design, like watches back then. Inside the watch is a mechanical hand-wound movement. You power the watch by turning the crown. This watch uses Seagull ST movement, which is a mechanical chronograph movement. When fully wound, the watch can run about 40 hours. On the back, there is a clear glass, so you can see the movement inside. And honestly, it looks beautiful. You can see the gears, the levers, and all small mechanical parts moving. For many watch fans, this is one of the best parts of owning a mechanical watch. Look at this, just beautiful. Now let's talk specs. My version is 38mm case size, which is more classic size. It also has a Sapphire crystal, which is great because Sapphire is more scratch resistant. The watch comes on a NATO strap, and like I said earlier, I got a brown strap as a gift in the box. On the link in the description, you can also find the different versions of this watch. For example, there is also a 40mm version and a version with the acrylic crystal. So there are a few options depending on what you prefer. By the way, if you enjoy watch videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I post more watch reviews and watch content like this. So click that subscribe button. Now let's see how it looks on the wrist. Just a moment. I always have trouble putting this NATO strap on my wrist. But they always were comfortable, so I love them. But I struggle with this. The 38 size makes it easy to wear it every day. It's not too big and not too heavy, and personally I like this size. Looks great. What do you think? So that was a Seagull Red Star mechanical watch. A very interesting watch with a classic pilot style. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.